Welcome to EPOS Direct, the world's favorite point-of-sale software, trusted by thousands of retailers across the globe. In this short demo, we'll show you how our retail POS software helps your business run faster, smarter, and more profitably every single day. Employees can securely clock in and out using their unique user code or swipe ID. It's accurate, effortless, and tracks working hours automatically, giving you total visibility and control. Logging in is instant and secure. Once inside, your product categories and subcategories load dynamically. Clean, colorful, and easy to navigate. Everything is exactly where you need it, ready to serve your next customer. Select any product, and it appears instantly on the billing screen. You can adjust quantities, scan multiple items, or make quick changes, all with one click. Simple, intuitive, and lightning fast. Made a mistake? No problem. Just delete or void a line in seconds. EPOS Direct keeps your billing clean and accurate every time. Looking for something? Just scan a barcode or type a few letters. Our super-fast smart search finds it instantly. You can even view real-time stock levels right on the screen, so you're never caught off guard. Need to sell an unlisted item? Use miscellaneous VAT or non-VAT options and enter the price on the spot. Flexible, compliant, and convenient. Applying discounts is effortless. Offer them by product or across the entire bill, as a percentage or fixed value, with a reason logged for transparency. Perfect for promotions, sales events, or loyal customers who deserve a little extra. The payment screen is beautifully designed for speed. All currencies and denominations are displayed clearly, so your team never misses a beat. When it's time to pay, it's instant. Integrated with all major payment providers, EPOS Direct ensures every transaction is smooth, secure, and fast. You can customize payment options anytime, because flexibility means better service. Selling items by weight? No problem. Our software auto-calculates pricing when connected to a weighing scale. And you can assign item images to hotkeys for instant access. Perfect for supermarkets, delis, and convenience stores. Customer management and loyalty add new customers in seconds or search past ones instantly. Assign items, manage credits, or track loyalty points. All built right in. Boost retention, reward regulars, and grow repeat business effortlessly. If a customer steps away, simply hold their transaction and keep serving others. Unhold when they return. No delays, no confusion. Managers love our quick admin tools. View real-time takings, X and Z readings, and end-of-day reports with full cash, card, and petty cash tracking. Total accuracy, zero stress. Easily add or edit products, print barcode labels, and stay organized, all from one screen. You can also check sales history and print previous receipts with just a tap. Close your day confidently. With clear cash and card totals and a full audit trail, you'll always know exactly where you stand. Simply click Log Out to close your session securely. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. We're here to support you 24/7. Our teams care. We earn trust.